Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all liked reels you have ever liked on Instagram. For example, if you want to delete all of the liked reels you have ever liked on Instagram, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on that, and here you can click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to open the Instagram app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram app, and you have to click on that profile option, and you have to click on that three lines. So in three lines, you will find the option of settings and activity. So here you can find your activity here. So if you want to see your likes, comments, and all things will be available here. So if you want to delete all of your likes, then you have to simply open that likes option. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the video, or you can simply select the video you want to delete, and here you can simply find all of the options are available, which means whether you want to delete it or not. So in this way, you can simply delete all of the videos you have ever liked. But if you want to do it all at once, then there is no option available. So if you want to delete it, then you have to simply select one by one. So this way you can simply delete any of the liked videos on Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. Get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.